What's up everybody, Black Dragon Rider here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. And I hope you guys are having a good time. Well, I'm just on my way to do some shopping and some food. So guys, I'm going to be talking about this article that really shocks me. And I think all of you guys need to hear about this article. If you guys want to read it, then you guys can look for the link down in the description. Anyway, this was on Facebook when I actually found this article. Apparently this girl who is 18 years old who wants to get back with her boyfriend, but problem is her ex-boyfriend didn't want to go back out with her. So what she did is she played the rape card. That's right, she played the rape card. If you don't know what the rape card is, or some of you probably do know, is she actually lied that she got raped by her ex-boyfriend. Fucking crazy, freaking crazy, man. When I first hear this, when I first time seen that article and read it, I was like, what the fuck? Really? That is just so scary that girls now, freaking princesses that can't get their own fucking way, have to play the freaking rape card. Spoiled bitch that can't get her own way and she has to like play the rape card. Freaking unacceptable. And you know, when you read the article, it turns around and says, we cannot name the person for legal reason. Are you fucking kidding me? Can't name the person because of illegal reasons. Freaking bull. I don't know why that they are protecting this girl who falsely accused a young man. I don't know why that they're just protecting her. It's just stupid. Falsely accuse someone of rape is freaking damaging. You should just like freaking give her a name, man. This is what really pees me off when stories like this gets out and it's protecting the girl, and also you can damage people's career and that. And I mean, there's so many articles out there of guys and men being accused of freaking rape, and it's really damaging, and it's just really scary. I mean, like, any girl of any age can pull out the freaking rape card. It's just freaking scary. Like, the worst thing about it is that no one's not going to listen to your story, of your side of the story, and everyone's going to say, oh, freaking mad. It's disgusting that we're living in a society where these spoiled princesses who's pulling out their freaking rape card. Look at it and go for a photo. And everybody will believe it. Okay, sure, rape is a very serious thing. I completely understand that, how bad it is. Every time I hear a rape story, I always take it as a pinch of salt. Take a pinch of salt. I thought that guy was peeing, and I was like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, I just try, you know, have a pinch of salt when it comes to stories like that. It's just scary. It could happen to any one of us, one of us guys. It could happen to any one of us Could happen to any one of us. Yeah, it'll just be the end of it. And the worst thing about it is that if you're being accused of rape, pretty much that you will get beaten up on the streets. Or you're too afraid to leave your home. You're afraid to leave your home, you don't want to go to work. In fact, you probably get let go from work. Yeah, it's not something that you want on your name. First thing that you become a wanted person. When there's people out there who be like a vigilante, will go around, try to find you, and, well, beat the shit out of you. I know that it's not just girls and princesses, girls that can't get what they want, but for that girl to say that, and say that her ex-boyfriend raped her, this is the reason, ladies and girls, this is the reason why men don't want to be around you, because that happens all. It's that happen all the time now, because it's really a common thing now. Well, what the fuck? It's a common thing now. This is happening, and it's not just in the UK. It's freaking America as well. So if you want to know the reason why, ladies and girls, why no guys actually freaking approach you, is because half the time they don't want to freaking go into jail and go into prison by false allegations. It wouldn't even freaking surprise me that it's an increase of gay men. like men saying, fuck this shit, I'm gonna be gay. But Jesus, it would not surprise me at all. It wouldn't surprise me at all if men and guys, or throwing boys there as well, that they want to stay away from women, because there are women out there that are just freaking toxic. So if your lady's gonna keep on, or girls, or whatever, you pulling out the rape card, then you're actually gonna have a really hard time to freaking get a boyfriend. Because right now this year is actually a dark year for men and guys, and you know for 100% fact that what you're doing is wrong. Pulling out rape card and saying that, you know, my boyfriend raped me, make the freaking story up and then get him in trouble like this girl's just trying to do. And if any of you girls who pulling out the rape card, you shouldn't have a boyfriend. You should be locked up, because you are giving women who actually got raped, you're just giving them a bad rep. I don't know if that's the right word to say it, because if there is a rape does happen, it's harder for them to prove they got raped. Because if it gets to times where police are just going, yeah, whatever, to you, I'll turn around to victims that who did get raped. You know, blame the people who's pulling out the rape card. Because when someone actually got raped and then they're not being believed by police, you know, blame the people who pull out the rape card. And you shouldn't be pulling out the rape card at all. You should be arrested. It's getting ridiculous. Fucking stop it. You deserve freaking jail time for pulling out the rape card. Freaking horrible. It scared the shit out of me, and I bet it scared the shit out of other guys and men. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video here. And guys, just be careful. Be careful, women. I mean, there are women out there and girls out there are just fucking two-faced devil women, and just gotta be careful. I know it's hard to be careful, but just watch yourself, and I'll speak to you all soon.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.